Global markets are in rally mode today, but not every asset is joining the party. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into silver. Silver surged to $62.81 per troy ounce, a move of plus 3.58% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $61.38 and $63.35. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that safe havens aren't behaving like they used to. Here's what's changed. The gold move is partly driven by Rio Tinto, LON Rio, lags FTSE as iron ore pressure in China weighs on July. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that S&P 500, NASDAQ register best quarter since 2020 despite Iran war. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow sets high while NASDAQ breadth lags, with Fed and earnings ahead tech stock squared. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that Dow sets high while NASDAQ breadth lags, with Fed and earnings ahead tech stock squared. Traders are reacting to news that S&P 500, NASDAQ register best quarter since 2020 despite Iran war. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow sets high while NASDAQ breadth lags, with Fed and earnings ahead tech stock squared. Meanwhile, Brent crude ticked up plus 0.46% to $72.13. Traders are reacting to news that oil prices fall after Trump says US-Iran talks in Qatar are going well. Meanwhile, WTI crude is little changed, hovering near $68.78. Traders are reacting to news that oil prices fall after Trump says US-Iran talks in Qatar are going well. Meanwhile, natural gas climbed plus 1.53% to $3.25. Traders are reacting to news that S&P 500, NASDAQ register best quarter since 2020 despite Iran war. Coming back to silver. The momentum is firmly with the bulls right now. A sustained break above recent highs could open the door to further gains. Volume and open interest will be key to watch. Here is our near-term analytical view on silver. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for silver sits around $66.58. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on Federal Reserve commentary and real yield movements. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our deep dive on silver. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.